Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. We're going to do hair embroidery. Now as you see, so this is gonna be covered by the hair, but I want to do a little bit of satin stitch in case. Start from here. You can start from any place you want, and then you have to figure out the length you want and want pretty much all of them same length, okay? Unless you want to do something like 3-step here. I mean, you have endless choices, you know. It's not carved on a stone like what I mean. Fashion is whatever you like. It's not. So yeah, you can give your doll whatever you like. So I'm keeping this long here. So you need a whole bunch of needles and threads ready to go, okay? Because you gotta do the hair and you need a lot of thread. I always keep an eye open for some thread on sale. Well, not on sale, I mean. So as you can see, my hair is done. Now I'm going there to make it like a hair band, okay? No matter how much tight I make this thing, let's get loose. Okay, that's tight. So we're just gonna loop a couple of times. And just we're gonna give some French knot like a hair band. Give it a nice trim at the bottom.
Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.